Hello. It is snowing today, as you can see as the snowflakes. I can't catch the snowflakes. But, no really, it is snowing. And here are some birds that are flying away. Some birds, they really are going away. So, oh my gosh. So, do you want to go outside? Don't go. Because it is raining too. As you can see. And really raining. So, don't go. Don't go outside. Or else, BAM! You'll die. It is a blizzard out there. BAM. And you will die. I mean, really die. Bye. Here are some presents on the way. And it is still snowing. Bye.